Hey Matt, what are you doing?
I'm just watching Miss Taffy's latest videos.
On this episode, I have a reservation. Oh. Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, Miss Taffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much. And if you're not new and you're part of the Candy Crew, thank you. Today's video is going to be jam-packed. I went from the Bahamas straight to North Carolina for Flipcon. And I'm taking you guys with me along this journey. I met some great resellers, some great people overall. It was a great event, guys. And I hope y'all enjoy. Comment down below. Alright, Candy Crew, it's 2:41 in the morning. I'm catching an Uber to LAX airport to head to the Flipcon. The grind doesn't stop.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy.
Alright, y'all, so I booked the rental car through Priceline. Why the site that I'm getting a car from is not at the actual airport. So they gotta come get me to go get the rental car. I'm walking around the airport getting all sweaty. They're like, oh, no, we're not there. Luckily, I called. Otherwise, I've been walking around here looking stupid. Chasing deals gone wrong. Hopefully this car, keep our fingers crossed. Block door knock. Hi. I have a reservation. Oh, I'm sorry. Hi, finding yourself. Alrighty.
Like, what's this charge, girl? Them toes.
Okay, we're not going through no tolls, not going through nothing. Candy Crew. I'll be honest, I was kind of bothered at first. I'm at the airport. I'm thinking I'm about to get a car from the airport, but no, it's not on the airport site. I gotta go off the site. So they picked me up, and I ended up getting a car cheaper than what was on Priceline. They said $150 for 3 days, so that's a good price. So yeah, we're in a Corolla. I'm about to go to my friend's house. Get ready, and we're going to the Flipcon. The Flipcon was amazing. I met some amazing resellers as well as YouTubers. Let me show y'all some clips from that right now.
Put your time where your priorities are. What if I can't physically work?
Met the legend himself, Commonwealth Picker. Thank you so much. I was gifted. Listen, y'all. Do y'all know what this does for your sales? Comment down below if y'all know. Comment down below. If you guys can, go to their pages, show them some love, and tell them that the Candy Crew is coming through. Thank y'all.
I lost touch. What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down.
Hey, Candy Crew, it's a new day. But yes, we decided to come to the BINS the following day. I'm here. I'm kind of late. So I think everybody else is already in. So I'm going to take y'all in with me. Let's go see what we find. Yes, the GOODWILL BINS in North Carolina. Don't I know you?
I'm so glad you're here. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Where did you get the crap from?
When you walked in the door, there was a whole bunch of them.
Oh, I'm late.
Yeah.
Overslept. Okay. I spotted these Joe jeans, but I normally don't do that much clothing, so I decided to take them and give them to another reseller. They do really well.
Yeah.
There you go.
No, you take them. I'm flying.
You sure? I don't do clothing that much.
I don't either.
Really?
Angie might.
Okay, we'll take it to her.
Christy might. Right.
Okay.
I know. I keep asking everything.
Yeah. Here you go, Angie. I don't know if you do. Are you familiar with Joe jeans?
Yes.
There you go.
Awesome.
I'm gonna send this to Leroy, Home Depot, for tools.
Yeah.
Then I spotted these Adidas track pants. They want $100 for this. Too bad I'm in North Carolina. Of course, I had to check out their media section. Unfortunately, I didn't see anything of value there.
Carolina University no longer exists.
Oh.
But that's where I was going to go to play volleyball. So I want to keep going.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Memories. You guys know I love sourcing shoes, but listen to these shoe prices. You said 60 or?
I think they want 60 for these, 60 for those, 60 for those. All the Tory Burch, they want 60.
Wow. Even for this jersey, they want $50.
So those sandals, brand new, they're quirky. They want 50 for them.
Now it's time for a new rotation of BINS.
Ready, set, go.
I also snagged this thick rainforest jacket that should sell for around $40. It was hard for me to squeeze in, so I was just grabbing what I could. Guys, she grabbed the Pokemon. Show them what else you have. All in one bin.
Autograph. US Open.
US Open. All for 2005. 19 something. Head start. But gotta catch them all. So my total ended up being $21. Not so bad. Self-care time. Me and Eris, we just finished our lunch and pee.
Yeah, and now we're gonna see how big I can eat this waffle.
Go, show me how big you eat it.
Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive.
I appreciate you guys more than you ever know. Until the next video, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL.
Oh. I was just kind of wondering when you were gonna get to listing on all that stuff on the front porch.
I got everything listed fast. So now I can finish the videos. And the taffy.